I successfully grew a lemon tree indoors, from a seed. Here's how you can too. Plant a clean lemon seed, about half an inch deep, in well-draining soil. Then water it, and place in a warm, sunny spot. Give the plants at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. But if you aren't getting enough sunlight, consider providing grow lights. A lack of sunlight can cause the leaves on lemon trees to turn yellow. Also make sure to rotate the plant weekly, so all sides can get access to light. Make sure to only water the soil when it's dry, and avoid overwatering, because the plant won't grow well in soggy soil. Being native to tropical and subtropical regions, lemons like moderate moisture. So mist the plant daily with water, or place a tray of water nearby. If the plant is dealing with aphids, spider mites, or scale insects, spray the lemon tree weekly with a combination of water, a drop of neem oil, and dish soap. Use a citrus fertilizer every month or so, and stop using during the winter. Repot the plant every 1 to 2 years, or when the roots run out of room. Getting the plant to fruit indoors isn't guaranteed, but if it does, it will be at least 5 to 10 years after planting from seed. Make sure to subscribe for updates.